Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ103591. Now, this is a quarter panel for your Chevy Silverado 1500. It fits a 2014 to a 2019. Now let's go ahead and get this open so we can take a better look at it. Now it's fairly simple to open. You'll simply undo all of these strings and untie them, and then it should just release, like so. Now, this isn't how we ship them. This one isn't fully packaged to save time, but whenever we fully package them, they are saran wrapped and have edge guards all around the sensitive edges that we may feel like may get damaged. Now, as you guys can already see, the finish on this is in our matte black. And this is just a matte black primer, so it's already ready to be painted if you want to send it off to a body shop to get painted. And this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it already has the cutout for the tail light and everything with the mounting points already pre-drilled and everything. And if we look at the back here, you can see all the rest of the holes for installing everything else, like installing your brackets in place, as well as your wheel liner, which will go inside here. And then you have a couple other holes for your sensors as well as your lights for the bottom of the truck. Now guys, if you want to see more videos just like this or more install videos, make sure to go check out our YouTube channel at vicrez.com and make sure to subscribe and like for more. Peace.